Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Elementor Gallery widget. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple images in a clean, organized grid layout on your WordPress site. Whether you're building a portfolio, displaying product photos, or creating a photo gallery for any purpose. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section in your left sidebar and click on Add Page. This creates a new blank page for your gallery. After the page loads, look for the Edit with Elementor button and click it. This launches the Elementor Page Builder interface, giving you full visual control over your page design. Now that you're inside Elementor, you'll see the left panel, which contains all the available widgets. Locate the search bar at the top of this widget section. This search function makes it quick and easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through dozens of options. Type Basic Gallery into the search bar. The gallery widget should appear immediately in the results. This widget is specifically designed to display multiple images in a responsive grid format, making it perfect for visual content. Once you've found the basic gallery widget, drag it onto your page or simply click it to add it to your workspace. You'll now see options to select your images. Click on the gallery area and you'll be prompted to choose images from your media library. Here you have two options. You can either upload new files directly from your computer, or you can select images that are already in your media library. Choose the images you want to display in your gallery, then click Insert Gallery to add them to your widget. With your images now loaded, it's time to customize the layout. Head over to the Content tab in the left panel if you're not already there. Look for the column setting, which allows you to control how many images appear side by side in your grid. You can adjust this anywhere from 1 to 10 columns, depending on how you want your gallery to look. More columns create a tighter, more compact grid, while fewer columns give each image more prominence. Next, scroll down to find the image resolution setting, also located in the Content tab. Here you can choose the size of your images. For the best viewing experience and image quality, select Full Under Image Resolution. This ensures your images are displayed at their highest quality without unnecessary compression or pixelation. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a gallery using Elementor's Gallery widget. Your images are now displayed in a professional grid layout that's fully responsive and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.